Doing today? Hello, good evening. Hi Kavyani, hi Dhruva, Sushmita, Abhishek, Komal, Churchill, Kalash, Sam, Akanksha, Labani, Kavisha, Shivani, Kunal, Shubham, Rim, Nimisha, Pallavi, Ekta, Shreyashi, Aditi, Rohit. Hello Janvi, good morning. How are you all doing? Hi guys, hi Megha, welcome to the session. Hello, good morning guys. So all of you had your breakfast? Done with your breakfast, guys? Good morning, guys. Welcome to the session. Good to see all of you join in. Okay, done with your breakfast? Yes. Okay, very good, guys. Just give me 1 minute. I will upload the file and we shall get started. Okay, just give me 1 minute. हाँ ठीक हाँ. Okay, hi guys, welcome to the session. Okay, let's continue, guys. So everybody, welcome to the session. I can see that all of you have joined in. Good morning, guys. Welcome to the session. Okay, good morning. Hi Prachi, welcome to the session. Hello guys, good morning. Blessed morning to you too, Himanshu. Okay, come on guys, let's get started. Good morning guys. Hi Vishal, welcome to the session. So Thomas, yeah, it'll help you with that. But I'm not aware, actually, you know what? I'm not actually aware of the syllabus of the DUCHAT exam. So I will not be able to tell you aptly. So I will look into the syllabus and I will let you know. अगर आपको पता है कि उसमें पैरा जम्बल्स आते हैं, ऑड वन आउट आता है, then this will be helpful for the DUCHAT exam as well. Hi Raza, hi Shafan. Hello Shitij. Hi Nalin, welcome to the session. Yes, Anand. So RC1 we've already, acha, so RC1, yeah, we'll discuss RC1 as well. So today we'll take up RC1 and RC3, okay? Hello guys. I'm good, Kshitij, how are you? Okay, so guys, today we're going to look into para jumbles, odd one out, para summary, and in the end, we are going to end with one RC as well. Hi Bhavna, it's so good to see you after so long. What were you up to? Okay, come on guys, should we get started? Acha, are good Kshitij, very good. Hi Gulafsha. Yes, Monica. Okay, guys, so I'm actually, so new module on YouTube, Dhruva, will start Thursday. It'll start on Thursday. Hi, Zigzag. Welcome to the session. Okay, right. Come on, guys. So we're going to start with para jumbles, odd one out, para summary. And after this, guys, yes, of course, Monica. After this, we're going to look at one RC passage as well. Okay, guys. So एक RC passage से we will end it. So I want to remind everyone, guys, that you have to take the plus subscription at this stage. It's very crucial. अभी नोट्स फीचर भी आ चुका है आपके प्लस सब्सक्रिप्शन में. You have the ask it out feature, you have the notes feature. So please make sure that all of you take benefit of it. कल से आरसी बैच भी शुरू हो चुका है guys. So please make sure that all of you join in. Okay, using the code Ritu MBA. Good Bhavna. Then see you at 6:15 p.m. Okay, Sam, that's great. Which code did you use? Hi Prasanjeet. Hello Shalu. Hi Sparsh. Okay, come on guys. Let's get started. RC passage wala course 6:15 p.m. every weekday. So every weekday 6:15 p.m. Okay, come on. Nice to see the subscribe tag, Shalu. Okay. Hena, I was thinking that too, Kshitij. Hi Muskan, welcome to the session. Hey Garima. But you know, lot of them are like, नहीं 8 बजे लो हमारी सुबह work रहती है, class रहती है, इसीलिए. Done, Sam. Okay, hi Saurabh. Come on, guys. First question on your screen. Let's get started. Hi Swati. Welcome to the session. Come on, everyone. First question. Okay, then yes. Then Gulafsha, what I'll do is this class, जितने भी पैरा जंबल है, आप मेरे को अपना ऑर्डर बताना और इसका ऑर्डर देखना. Then I will see exactly where you're going wrong. Okay. That's nice, Kshitij. He's in Bhubaneswar, right? Xavier's Bhubaneswar. Aditi, I've not seen your 1 minute, Aditi. Let me check. I'm so sorry if I haven't done that. 1 minute. रुको, मेरे को देखने दो आपका मैसेज आया है या नहीं. Okay, wait. Yes, Aditi, but see, you have to meet the minimum cutoff. Minimum cutoff आपको meet करना पड़ेगा, वरना you will be able to get into it. Yeah, major focus if you focus on decision making, if you focus on GK, if you focus on verbal, because it's mainly verbal heavy. You will. Okay, Kshitij. Okay, let's start, guys. What are your answers? Please tell me. Okay, 2134. 2341. 2413. 2314. Okay, any other answers, guys? Any other answers? Two, 1, 4, 3. Hi, who's H? Arey, nice guy. Very nice. Hello, Shubham ji. Hi, Mrinal. Hi, H. Okay, shall we poll now? Hi, Jay. Okay, let's start the poll, guys. Let's take these 4 options. Okay, for the poll. Let's take 4 options for the poll. Come on. Hi, Suraj. हाँ, minority guys. 1 या 2 मुश्किल से. Hi, Kshitiz. Hi, Akriti. Mrinal, Shalu, Monica, Lekhna, Janvi, Zigzag, Kunal, Anand, Sam, Raza. There are only few of you who have got it right. Bye, guys. Suno. Nay, Shubham, I'm up from like really long, so that's why you might feel that I'm. मतलब मेरे को वापस नींद लेनी है. Hi, Pratham. Yes, Bhavna, it's good. Hi, Rohan. Abhishek is here, no? Okay. Yes, come on, guys. Now let's look into this. Okay, I'll explain all your orders. Now, please listen. Hi, Ayan. It is a powerful force, and if we use it effectively, we can use the gravity pull of habit to create the cohesiveness and order necessary to establish effectiveness in our life. It is a powerful force. What is a powerful force? This cannot be your opening sentence. Hi, Rohan. The gravity pull of some of our habits may currently be keeping us from going where we want to go. This is a problem. Correct? Now, gravity. This can be my opener, but it is also gravity pull that keeps our world together. This is positive. This is negative. Gravity pull also keeps the planets in their orbits and our universe in order. This is also positive. So guys, ये बात किससे कनेक्ट होगा? ये पॉजिटिव किससे कनेक्ट होगा? नेगेटिव से कनेक्ट होगा? So can I say guys कि आपने डाला 2 3 as an order? हाँ या ना? Did you put 2 3 as an order? Yes or no? Okay. Then फिर where did the difficulty lie? Where did the difficulty come in, guys? वो बताओ. Yes, everybody says that. Okay. Guys, I'm really sorry to do this with you, but the order is 2 3 4 1. The order is 2 3 4 1. It's not 2 4 3 1. It is 2 3 4 1. ओके हाँ सॉरी अभिषेक, वो पोल में मेरे को कंफ्यूजन हो गया आप सबका आंसर्स देखकर। हाँ सो गाइज आंसर इज 2341। ओके हाँ पोल गलत था, सॉरी। सो आंसर इज 2341, वो पोल में कंफ्यूजन हो गया मुझे इधर उधर। सो गाइज दिस इज नेगेटिव, दिस इज पॉजिटिव, सो कैन आई से बट दिस हैज टू कनेक्ट, 2 and 3 हैव टू गेट कनेक्टेड गाइज। हाँ या ना, 2 और 3 को कनेक्ट होना जरूरी होगा। yes, then after this is something positive, this is also something positive that is that it does. So 4 will come after this, 4 will come after this. Yes, now it is a powerful force, and if we use it effectively, this is future. So can I say 1 is going to come at the end? Can I say 1 is going to come at the end? Got it guys? And this clear? Okay, very good. So 2, 3, 4, 1. 2 is the opener. 2, 3 brings in the contradiction. 4 continues because of also 3 and 4 are positive. And then you end with 1. Come on, let's go to the next one. Come on, guys, try the next one out. Come on, come on, come on. हाँ, so Mrinal, see, you cannot just go on the basis of the term. So gravity pull diya, I agree. So what you have to understand is, it's not necessary that noun, only then pronoun. No, you can put the noun first, then you can put the pronoun, and then you can repeat the noun. It's okay. ये रूल नहीं है कि प्रोनाउन यूज करने के बाद आप वापस नाउन नहीं यूज कर सकते हो. यू कैन यूज अ नाउन आफ्टर द प्रोनाउन एज वेल. But yes, first pronoun should come, sorry, first noun should come and then pronoun. You can repeat the noun afterwards as well. That's okay. That's okay. Okay, got it, guys? Yes, okay. Slacker is loose and, lazy, alsi. Yeah, that's slacker. The business is right now going through the slack season. वैसे. Okay, shall we start the poll? Let's take the last 5 options, guys. Come on. Done. Yes, Sam. Okay, guys, most of you have got the opener wrong. You've gone with 4 as the opener. You've gone with 3 as the opener. ठीक है, तो opener गलत आया. Let's set that right first. We all need time to unplug and recharge. This can be my opener. Yeah, even me, H. Okay, this can be your opener. And yet, many of us are often hesitant to take the first step, putting up an appropriate out of office message that sets clear boundaries for a time off. This cannot be our opener. Okay? Research shows that disconnecting, especially from email, can make us significantly less stressed and more productive. This can be your opener. I've personally always battled a fear that an out of office message could have unintended consequences, including being perceived as a slacker or leading to missed opportunities. Now, guys, you have to understand कि what is the main theme of the passage. ये भी opening sentence हो सकता है. What is the main theme of the passage? Disconnecting from an email, an out of office message, or the fact that we need time to unplug and recharge. We need time off. What is the theme of the passage? What is the context of the passage? ये बताओ, is it about sending, is the whole passage about sending out of office messages? Is the whole passage about disconnecting from technology or from email? Or is it about the fact that we need time off? We need time off. So isn't this the theme of the passage? Isn't this the topic of the passage? One. One. Now see, this says we all need time to unplug and recharge. Now guys, build the language clues. Ye dekho. And yet, despite knowing something, we still don't put out of office messages. Why? So can I say 3 or 2 ka link hoga, guys? Can I say 3 or 2 ka link hoga? We know it. Research shows that disconnecting can make us. It can make us. The solution is right in front of us, and yet we do not accept the solution, or yet we do not take it up. Now, this talks about out of office message. We are hesitant to put out of office message. Why are we hesitant to put out of office message? So, can I say your order will flow smoothly 1324? Yes or no? अरे प्रथम, क्योंकि ना 6:15 से लेके 7:30 तक ऑलमोस्ट प्लस क्लास चलती है इस हफ्ते, सो दैट इज वाई. हाय कविशा, हेलो ऋषभ. ओके गाइस, डिड ऑल ऑफ यू अंडरस्टैंड दिस नाउ? Sam, is it clear? You have to and correct Sam, but lot of times it happens that the theme is not the opener. Then how do you know? Don't select an opener. Don't select an opener. We all will get the link. 3 or 2 का link मिल जाएगा, 2 or 4 का link मिल जाएगा. These three will definitely form a pair. Three, the solution is right in front of you, yet you do not take it up. We are hesitant to send out of office message because you feel that it could have unintended consequences. 3 to 4 का एक सबसेट तो बनेगा ही ना. अब 1 कहाँ आएगा? 1 लास्ट में थोड़ी आएगा, 1 तो पहले आएगा. It is a necessity, still we are unable to act on it. But 1, why will you put 1 at the end? We all need time to unplug and recharge. It's like restating the obvious now. After giving the full explanation, it's like restating the obvious. Got it? So Gulabsha, you have to understand what is the main message that the author wants to send out. As a conclusion, no, one will not fit as a conclusion. We all need time to unplug and recharge. See, this says we all need. Okay, now this talks about research. Many of us, don't you feel language wise be? 1 pehle aayega 2 se. Many of us, who are these us? We. Yes or no? We all need time. Many of us. That's why the author says personally. Pehle he talks generally and then he says, I have personally also felt this. Of course, Vishal. Clear? Hi, CSK. So language and logic. Come on, let's go to the next one. Third one on your screen, guys. Try this out. Vishal, you telegram. I'll reply. Okay, if you take 3 as an opener, 1 minute. If you take 3 as an opener, you will work with 3 to 4. You will work with 3 to 4. 3 and 1. Okay, after 3, 1, then. But this out of office messages from the email. No, the out of office messages from the email. And then 2 and 4 should come together because correct, it talks about out of office messages. But this out of office message will come where? It will come on your emails. It will come on your, when you disconnect from your communication. So 3, 2 to आना चाहिए साथ में. You know that disconnect will reduce your stress, but still you are hesitant to do it. To take the first step. First step towards what? Disconnecting. Got it, Kshitij? Clear? This out of office message is a way to disconnect. Okay, come on guys, next one. Hi Monali. Okay, Sparsh has given his answer. Hi, Chavi. Not necessarily ना शुभम. चलो guys, poll करते हैं. ओके अभिषेक, एक काम करो, नेक्स्ट टाइम से अभिषेक एक काम करो, नेक्स्ट टाइम से आप आंसर डायरेक्टली पोल पे डालो. गॉट इट? ओके, राइट. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Very good, Abhishek. This is like excellent. Okay, so guys, answer is 1432. Okay, now listen to this. हाँ कोई बात नहीं शुभम, तभी आपका कुछ होगा अगर अभिषेक आंसर नहीं देगा तो. अरे थैंक यू तेजस. Was it my combat? Okay, now listen to this, guys. हाँ, the Sunday wala. I'm not sure. Was it the VRC by me? I forgot. क्योंकि it said 4 papers. That's why I don't. Yeah, it was by me. Okay. Okay. So how did you do it? अच्छा गया आपका paper? Hi Jagdish. You won a rank. Okay. The person. So guys, 37th. Okay. So Tejas, when you take the subscription, you have to apply a code in addition to your combat code. So please make sure that you apply Ritu MBA. Okay. Everybody, guys, I want all of you to apply the code Ritu MBA. हाँ आज शाम को YouTube की क्लास है 5 बजे चिराग एंड प्लस क्लास है 6 o'clock को. Okay, right. Come on, guys. Let's understand this. The person who is truly effective has the humility and reverence to recognize his own perceptual limitations. When we are left to our own experiences, we constantly suffer from a shortage of data. Can be my opener. That person, now guys, that person values the differences because those mental, emotional, and psychological differences add to his knowledge and his understanding of reality. An effective person can also appreciate the rich resources available through the interaction with the hearts and minds of other human beings. Now, guys, will all of you understand here कि 1 और 4 का link होगा? See, 4 could have also been your opener, but because of also, this cannot be the opening of this pair. So you start with the person who is truly effective. He has the humility. He can also appreciate the rich resources. Do all of you agree with 1 and 4 is the opener? Yes, that person would refer to this guy. That person would now refer to this guy. Values the differences. Correct? Understanding of reality. When we are left to our own experiences, we constantly suffer from a shortage of data. Now the question is, where do you put 2? Right? The question is, where do you put 2? And that's why most of you have gone and put 2 at the beginning or 2 at the ending. Now, मेरे को बताओ guys, 2 का position कैसे decide करना है? Tell me, how do you decide the position of 2? Come on. No idea. Okay, listen to this, guys. Listen to this. See, look at this. He has the humility and reverence to recognize his own perceptual limitations. He knows that his understanding is limited. because he knows that his understanding is limited. Because he knows that his understanding is limited, he wants to learn from the interaction with others. He wants to learn through the interaction with others. When he tries to learn through the interaction with others, he also values the difference of opinion. I may have a different opinion, you may have a different opinion, and he values that. Right. Now, this shows the importance of interaction and listening to other human beings. 2 says that when we are left to our own experiences, when we don't gain from others, when we only are self-centered, we constantly suffer from a shortage of data. Did all of you understand this? If so, this is more like a conclusion saying that we need to learn from others. If we are only self-centered, we will face shortage of data. Now, if I start with this, that okay, if we are limited, we will face shortage of data. Now, look at this. The person who's truly effective has the humility and reverence to recognize his own perceptual limitations. Suddenly, we say, his kahan pe aa gaya? Did you understand the problem here now? You start with we, and then suddenly, why do you talk about his? So you start with the his, and then you say that is why we should kind of understand this importance. Did all of you understand this now? Yes? Okay, okay, clear. Come on, next one. Come on, guys. अरे thank you उदित सैनी super fan. Syllogisms नहीं यश, वो ज्यादा other exams में आता है. Piecemeal is part by part, छोटे छोटे टुकड़े. नहीं सुबह आप बताओगे इस टाइम आंसर. PJ, para summary, odd one out, RCs. In what? For what, Yash? अच्छा, grammar, vocab. No, PJ, summary, odd one out, RC, reading comprehension, vocabulary, grammar. All of that. Okay, guys, I will take up your orders. Wait. हाँ ठीक है शुभम देते हैं, वो भी है आज. Okay. Yes, Pratham. Guys, someone pin up the Telegram link, please. Payal, it's basically reading faces. Sorry, you cannot read faces. Sorry, you cannot recognize faces. आपको सब एक जैसे लगते हैं. You cannot recognize faces. You feel everybody looks the same. Okay. Okay, shall we poll? Thanks, Sumit. I'll just take the link wala also. One minute. Hi Shivani, hi Sachin. Okay guys, let's start the poll. Good morning Shivani. Okay guys, shall we discuss this now? इसको discuss करें guys. Better not. Okay, let's start discussing this. See, they often learn to use piecemeal or feature by feature recognition strategies. हुआ these day नहीं शुभम आज clear नहीं दिख रहा उससे. But because the face seems to function as an important identifying feature in memory, it can be difficult for people with this condition. Which condition, guys? Which condition? Though there have been several attempts at remediation, no therapies have demonstrated lasting real world improvements for prosopagnosis. It basically means face blindness. You cannot see faces. This may involve secondary cues such as clothing, gait or walk, hair color, skin color, body shape, and voice. Now, guys, this may involve, which may involve feature by feature recognition. हाँ या ना, can I say 1 और 4 का link होगा? Yes, Harshita. New to plus, of course, of course. Okay, so I'll do one thing. You message me on Telegram. I'll send you the plus group link. Okay, so 1 and 4 is going to be a connect because it says feature by feature and these are the features. These are the features. Okay, now guys, your opener has to be 3. Grammatically, this is the only possible opener. They, but, this. Grammatically, 3 is the only possible opener. Okay, so 3 का एक link बैठ गया, 1 and 4 का एक link बैठ गया, बचा 2, but because the face seems to function as an important identifying feature in memory, it can be difficult for people with this condition to keep track of information about people and socialize normally with others. They means people, correct? Now guys, let's see where do we put this. Let's see where do we put this. Now see, guys, ये देखो. They over here, see, understand the context here. People who have face blindness, they try to learn through feature by feature. That is gait, hair color, skin color, body shape, voice. But is this effective or face is also crucial? Is this effective or face is also crucial? इतने से ही हो जाएगा, piece by piece, feature by feature से ही हो जाएगा. Yeah, but face seems to function as an important identifying feature and they're losing out on this. So can I say that the order will be 3-1-3-1-4-2? Yes or no? Okay, now I'll take up the other orders. You started with 3 correct. Then you put 2. Okay, and then you put 1-4. So it's basically about the positioning of 2. But see, this says the importance of face. Now see guys, my problem with my only concern with this passage is what is the theme? Let's understand this. Okay, all of you, let's go step by step. Let's go piece by piece. Do all of you agree 3 is the opener? Do all of you agree 3 is the opener? Do all of you agree with 1 and 4 as a subset? Because feature by feature, which are the features? These are the features. Okay. Now the only prospect is about placing 2. So 2 या तो इधर आ सकता है या तो इधर आ सकता है. Yes or no? No therapies have demonstrated lasting real world improvement. कोई भी therapy lasting नहीं रहा है. क्यों? They have tried various theories. They have tried various therapies. They have tried feature by feature recognition, but that has also not worked because face still remains crucial. Did you understand now how this relates to the theme? अगर if we end with 1-4, मतलब ये strategy work करता है, but this strategy also does not work. Face by feature recognition also does not work because ultimately what is important is face. Now did all of you understand this? So leading to the theme that lasting impression आया ही नहीं है. Okay, hi Sariga. Clear with this everyone now? हाँ, yes. So little bit, you know, ये जो मैंने PJs लाए हैं आपके लिए, they look very simple, guys. They're just 4 sentence PJs. They look very simple. But did you understand that a little bit of meaning is also important? Like for example, this question में meaning की जरूरत थी, इस question में meaning की जरूरत थी. Yes. Okay. Okay, guys. Can we continue with PJ or you want to go to odd one out? I have two more PJs. You want to try two more PJs? I've done the class for 1 hour 30 minutes. Okay, so we can cover a lot. Okay, दो और PJs है guys. Come on, para jumble. Come on, two more PJs. हाँ, yes विशाल, that वो एक दो मॉक में बीच बीच में आएगा, पर मोस्टली 4 या 5 सेंटेंसेस के ही आएंगे. वो 7 सेंटेंस में वो 2 आर फिक्स. नो, इंट्रोडक्शन एंड कंक्लूजन इज फिक्स ना. नो, अरे आई हैव नेवर सीन दिस. आज तक तो किसी एग्जाम में 6 सेंटेंस तक आ चुके हैं गाइस, 7 सेंटेंस कहीं नहीं आया. करेक्ट. हाय हरप्रीत. Done, done, Kshitij. Pin it up. Okay, shall we check this out? दो ऑप्शन के बीच में पोल है ना. Let's take the first one is true and let's take the next one is false. Come on. Good, guys. Very good. The answer is 1, 3, 2, 4. Let's see why not 4, 2. Thomas Piketty's Capital in the 21st Century has ignited a furious debate about inequality in the rich world. He focuses. So 1 and 3 सबको मिल गया. 1 and 3 for सबको मिल गया. Increasingly unequal distribution of wealth. Pay less attention to the growing disparity in wages over the past 3 decades. Similar trends can be observed. Similar trends. Guys, how did you go wrong with this? These are the trends, no? हाँ या ना, ये trends है ना. These are the trends, similar trends. So 2 and 4 will definitely be a subset. Silly error, guys. Come on. Next one, last one, guys, for PJ. Try this out. But which similar trends, Shushmita? Similar trends बोल रहे हो आप? अगर 1, 3 के बाद आप similar trend लगाओगे, which similar trends? Which similar trends? The trends are here. These are the trends. These are the statistics, or these are the trends. No, so you'll have to put 2 before 4. And that disparity, which disparity? Disparity in wages. That disparity, which disparity? Disparity in wages. So 3 and 2 are also connected. Unequal distribution is not a trend. Similar trends, plural. That means statistics, or the direction in which they are flowing. And that disparity, which disparity? Disparity in wages. So उसके लिए भी 3 और 2 का connection है. And this says it pays less attention, yet he should pay attention to that because that disparity is also growing. He pays less attention, yet should not pay less attention because that disparity is also growing. So three connections है. Yet का connection है, that disparity का connection है, और similar trends का connection है, which says that why the pair should be 2-4 and not 4-2. Okay, come on guys, next one. Muddle, mishmash, confusion, unclear. ना शुभम, थोड़ा सा इधर उधर गए हो. No Yash. Correct, Monica. Okay, shall we start the poll, guys? 4 options. Hi, Gokul. Okay, the answer is 3142. Listen, guys. Franchises ranging from Doctor Who to Back to the Future have seen adventure-loving humans get in a vehicle and arrive in the past or future. Can be your opener. Some scientists believe that time travel is possible, saying that an attempt would be fatal to any human who chooses to undertake it is impossible. Sorry, can be your opener. Time travel, moving between different points in time, meaning or definition or explanation. ये कहाँ पे आएगा? ये beginning में आएगा? Yes or no? Which is why everybody have gone with 3 as the opening sentence. Has been a popular topic for science fiction. It has been a popular topic for science fiction, which is an example of fiction. ये fiction का example है. ये serials, ये soaps, not soaps. I would call them as shows. 3 and 1 is going to be a clue because this talks about fiction. Doctor Who, Back to the Future, इसमें होता आया है. Yes. The reality, however, this is a fiction. The reality, however, is more muddled. The reality में कुछ और ही है. Reality में क्या है? Reality में time travel is impossible. Did all of you understand this? Simple, no, guys. Why did you go wrong? 3, 2, 1, 4. 3, 2. This is reality. This is fiction. How can you put fiction and reality together without putting 4 in the middle? Muddled means unclear. It's more unclear. It's more confused. Reality में ऐसे नहीं हो सकता है. Got it, guys? So you have to go step by step. Guys, please, please, please make use of this. Fiction, fiction, fiction and fiction. 3 and 1. 4 brings the contradiction to reality. 4 and 2 is about reality. Group similar sentences together. That's what building pairs is about. Clear? Did all of you understand this? Okay, come on guys, odd one out. चलो odd one out के totally 3 question है. I think इसमें से एक हम लोग कर चुके हैं पहले. But anyway, nonetheless, try it out, guys. Everybody, guys, while taking the Plus subscription, while taking test, combat, I want all of you to apply the code RITU MBA. Come on, guys. 7th question on your screen. Come on, come on. Let's do odd one out, para summary, and then let's take up RC as well. Come on, guys. Okay, ready for the poll? Guys, most of you are going wrong. So just take a little bit of time and check it out. Hi, Sanket. शालू अब आप प्लस हो तो आपका आंसर बता देंगे तो सबको मिल जाएगा. No, Monica. No, Mrinal. Hi, Akash. करेक्ट आकृति. हाँ, यस जगदीश. डेली 11 बजे सुबह स्पेशल क्लास, यूट्यूब क्लास 5 बजे और प्लस क्लास 6 बजे. Come on, guys, let's start the poll. Correct, Prasanjit. No, 5-4, Monica. Okay, let's understand this, guys. We must also correctly judge the probability that these will or will not occur. ये किया है, guys, हमने. We have done this ना. The unlucky gambler fell victim to one of the worst errors the human mind could make. Okay, we've done it in plus, that means. The unlucky gambler fell victim to one of the worst errors the human mind could make. Weighing the pros and cons involves more than simply balancing the relative importance of various factors and outcomes. Highly skilled players bet small sums when the odds run against them and boost their bets when the odds shift in their favor. Every decision contains an element of risk. Those who highly skilled players. Now, guys, when I ask you this simple question, the unlucky gambler fell victim to one of the worst errors. What is that worst error? Can you tell me what is that worst error? What is that worst error? These will occur or not refer to outcomes. 3 and 1 is a clue, is a link. Balancing the relative importance of various factors and outcomes, whether these will occur or not occur. 3 and 1 का एक connection होगा. Since every decision contains an element of risk, those who understand the odds generally make the best bets. Okay, they make the best bets. They bet small sums. This is a best bet. This is understanding the situation, understanding the risk. Small sum when it's a risky situation, and high bets when it's a favorable situation. So 3-1-5-4. It's okay. So what, Sam? The author can start with a general, we must. Correct. What is wrong with that? There's nothing wrong. It could be a learning from what the author has observed. But the worst error, which is the worst error? Which is the worst error? But Gulafsha 2 says worst error. Which is that worst error? None of the sentence says worst error. Weighing the risk is not a worst error. Being skilled at it is not a worst error. Weighing pros and cons is not a worst error. Correctly judging is not a worst error. Then what is the worst error? So can I say 2 is not connected with any other statement just because it has gambler in it? It cannot be your answer, right? But worst, Chirag, worst error. Betting here, you're betting correctly. You're betting small sums when the luck is against you. That's not a worst error. That's a good judgment. So worst error kahan ho gaya? Got it? Okay, come on. Let's go to the next one. Come on, guys. ये भी किया है, क्लास में किया है. Come on, guys. Arey, thank you. But no, I mean, come on, everyone. Done? Okay. Good, Monica. Excellent. Naeem Rina, let's check. Arey, Vishal, he didn't get a toy, I guess. That's why he's crying. 1 minute. He'll come and meet all of you. He'll also feel better. 1 second. Okay, guys. Shall we focus on this? Okay, let's see this, guys, now. And just because something is bad for modern humans does not necessarily mean that it was bad for their hunter and gathering ancestors. For most of Homo sapiens, 1 minute, you want to meet him? Come on. Hi, bolo. He's seen what all to take from here and go mouse. Then he'll not leave it. Okay, guys, he'll take your leave. Okay, okay, guys. Chalo, bye, bolo. Who is that? Okay. बाय गाइस, चलो हाँ उसको नहीं जाना, चलो बाय कर दो, बाय बाय कर दो. Should I call all of you uncle and auntie? Okay, bye guys. Take care. अच्छा, एक मिनट. Now am I audible, guys? Now am I audible? Okay. Okay, guys. Now come on. Let's start with this. Okay. अरे पेन कहाँ गया? Okay. Right. नहीं guys, luckily नहीं लेके गया. Okay, just because something is bad for modern humans does not necessarily mean that it was bad for their hunting and gathering ancestors. For most of Homo sapiens, it shared the planet with several cousins. Who are these several cousins? Can I say the most famous of those cousins were Neanderthals? हाँ या ना? So 3 और 4 का link होगा? Correct? Not saying that they should come immediately next to each other, but do you understand that these cousins could be Neanderthals? Yes or no? Okay, but that is only recently true. That is only recently true. What is only recently true? Now look at this. Unlike creatures such as Yeti and Bigfoot turn out to be real, the only kind of human in the modern world is Homo sapiens. Now guys, अगर हम इन सब चीजों को देखें, so they basically talk about whom you shared your planet with and who they were and who this and that. This says something is bad for modern humans. What is bad? What is bad? What is bad? Hi Anna. What is bad? Not given in the passage, not mentioned in the passage. Okay, okay, guys, and your order is 3524. Okay, the order is 3524. Did all of you understand this? Did all of you understand this, guys? Sorry, 24 का link बोला था यहाँ पे. Okay, so 24. 24 is a link. Who are these cousins? Neanderthals. Okay, uh, they believe that human only kind of human is Homo sapiens, but that was only recently true. Now it's been proved otherwise. Okay, why not 2 4 5 3? You want to go with 2 and 4 together, then you want to go with 5 and 3. It that is only recently true. What is only recently true? The belief that only kind of human is Homo sapiens. 3 and 5 का link होगा. 3 and 5 का link होगा. That is only human. That is only recently true. Okay, last one, guys. Odd one out. Come on, try this out quickly. Do you want to take up RC after this, guys, or para summary? Do you want to take up RC or para summary? Okay, okay, okay. We'll take up 1 or 2 para summary and then we'll try 1 RC. एक दो para summary लेके एक RC करेंगे. Come on. Okay, try this out, guys. Most of you have not got the right answer. Okay, let's start the poll. Hi, Manshi. Welcome to the session. See, guys, the Kepler telescope was launched into space in 2009 to look for extrasolar planets. Since then, since 2009, 5 or 4 का link होगा. Since then, since when? Since 2009. It has spotted 2,700 alien worlds. Some of these worlds. पर यश आप लिंक नहीं बना रहे हो इसीलिए सही नहीं हो रहा है. Guys, how many of you tried to build these connections? If you build these connections, you cannot go wrong. You have to treat it like an odd para jumble. Since then, since when? Since 2009, 5 and 4 का link होगा. These worlds, which worlds? These 2,700 alien worlds. And 2, the Kepler telescope. As a result, discoveries can be made long after a telescope has been decommissioned. Who has decommissioned it? Decommission means remove, stop, not in existence anymore, not in use anymore. Who has decommissioned Kepler telescope? यहाँ तो दिया लॉन्च कब हुआ था, लॉन्च के बाद तक क्या क्या किया है. Who has decommissioned it? So got it, guys. One is not, it does not even fit into the theme and link ही नहीं बैठ रहा है. Clear, guys? Did all of you understand this now? Clear with this, everyone? Okay. Let's take 1 or 2 para summary. ठीक है, guys. ये दो para summaries बहुत अच्छे हैं. रुको. But I want you to look into this also. Philosopher's position. एक minute. ये try करो पहले. Come on. Hi, Mohammed. Come on, guys. Para summary. Come on, come on, come on, everyone. One minute. Let's start the poll, everyone. Rinal, no. Hi, Tanvi. Okay, correct Akriti. Okay, let's poll, guys. Okay, right. Let's look into this, everyone. In an obituary of Ronald Reagan in Time magazine, Richard Lacayo, fine, wrote, "The White House may return to the Democrats someday. Even Congress may go back their way. But the federal courts will be Reagan's for years to come." He named 83 appeals court judges, 292 district court judges. That's more federal judges named by any other president in history. So, guys, White House, can I say Ronald Reagan's most memorable achievement is his work with the courts. Hi Anna, his work with the federal courts? Yes or no? That's the key message here. Okay, Reagan during his presidential tenure, you might feel that, presidential tenure named more than half the federal judiciary. You needn't use statistics, you can give. Okay. As a result, some obituary writers opine that even if the government changed, even if it came back to Democrats, even if Republicans went out of power, Reagan's name will be associated with federal courts for a long time, for years to come. What is wrong with A? Everything is fact checked. Half the federal judiciary, presidential tenure, obituary writers, government changed, his name will be associated with federal courts for a long time. This is correct. The White House will return to the Democrats. Will return. It will return definitely. Are you sure? No. So B cannot come. Guys, distortion होगा. Sam ये बोल रहा है कि पैरा में कि Reagan was a Republican. चाहे सत्ता बदल जाए, चाहे the powers shift, whatever changes happen, Reagan will be remembered as the president whose work with the federal courts was really exceptional. Even if the White House returned to the Democrats, the impact made by Reagan today would remain for years to come. Ronald Reagan utterly remade political landscape. He changed the political landscape. It was no any other president. That's more federal judges named by any other president. So he is also a president. हाँ या ना अभिनव, he is also कोई president ने इतना अच्छा काम नहीं किया है courts के साथ, तो वो भी president ही हुआ. The federal courts will be linked to President Reagan in the years to come, irrespective of the government in position, as ensured by Reagan. What is ensured by Reagan? Ensured by Reagan क्या है? And when you say the federal courts will be linked to President Reagan obituary, even if the government changed, why will it be linked with, guys, last lines तो पूरा बोल रहा है कि that work he did, what did he do? वो तो लिखना पड़ेगा ना. As ensured by Reagan, what did Reagan ensure? Got it, guys? Did all of you understand this? It should be a coherent sentence. You cannot just take words and mix it together and put it as an option. So guys, answer option will be 1. Comparison and elimination. This is the best option out of the lot. Okay, come on guys. Last one. And then we go to RC quickly. जगदीश पीजे और पैरा समरी के लिए बुक मत रेफर करो, या यू कैन रेफर टू अरुण शर्मा इफ यू वांट, बट ज्यादातर बुक्स मत रेफर करो गाइस, ये सब ऑनलाइन करो. Do them through online question banks because वो book का interface और online का interface में बहुत फर्क होगा, and there'll be a huge difference in your strategy. There'll be a huge difference in your accuracy as well. No आकृति, check एक बार. Correct, Yash. Okay, shall we poll? Let's start the poll. Okay, philosopher's position. Perhaps Sartre's best known philosophical point. Of course. Take care, Monica. Perhaps Sartre's best known philosophical point is existence precedes essence. In the case of non-human entities, an essence is something that is prior to something's actual existence. Essence is prior to existence. A table's essence is the intention that its creator, builder, or user has for it, such as its shape, components, and functions. That's its essence before you create it. A woodchuck's essence is in its genetic inheritance. Being a human being doesn't have a true essence. Oh, sure, we have a general shape, our genetics, upbringing, and alike, but they do not determine our lives. They only set the stage for it. It is we ourselves who shape our lives. Okay, existence is essence personified. Guys, is existence is essence personified or existence precedes essence? Existence precedes essence. Hi, Anna. Human conscience is meaningless. Who said human conscience is meaningless? Essence precedes existence in the case of non-human entities, while in the case of humans, true essence is triggered only by the environment to which they say we do not even have a true essence. How can you say in case of human essence, humans true essence is triggered by when they are saying that you don't even have a true essence? The true essence of a non-human entity precedes its existence, correct? Essence comes prior to existence in case of non-human entities. Essence succeeds existence. Succeeds means comes after it. As they choose to do what, as we choose to do what to do with our lives, that's what is giving. We ourselves shape our lives. Existence precedes essence मतलब existence पहले आता है, essence बाद में आता है. Existence पहले आता है, essence बाद में आता है. Genetic inheritance plays a major role. No, this is not the main idea. They've just mentioned it as, so many things यहाँ पे. Did all of you understand why 3 is your opener? Look at this, guys. We shape our lives. We choose what to do with our lives. Clear? Did all of you understand this? Okay, very good. Shall we take up RC, guys? Are you in the, I'll take an interesting RC. Movies के ऊपर based है. Shall we take one RC? Yes. Okay. Come on. Uploading. Upload it. Okay, so guys, join the group. The link has been pinned up. Enroll, guys. These are the up and coming batches. Please make sure that all of you take the plus subscription using the code Ritu MBA. Guys, अब भी plus लेना बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. Please make sure that you take it live classes, recorded sessions if you miss out on them, sectionals, mocks, tests, quizzes, notes feature, everything. अभी आप 6 months का सब्सक्रिप्शन लोगे, आपको 1 month का एक्सटेंशन मिलेगा. So Tejas, one is your, okay, आपने combat देते वक्त कौन सा कोड लगाया? The code that you used while giving combat, that and your combat code both will be applicable. Okay, and use the ask it out feature, guys. Thank you, Sam. Use the ask it out feature without fail. Okay, guys. Combat lete waqt, everyone, I want you to use the code Ritu MBA. Come on, let's start, guys. 4 questions passage में. Let's check. हाँ बताओ Sam. Come on, let's start. एक बार questions देखो. By saying that film's overwhelming power isn't news, the author highlights. Sam, post your question. I'll answer it. Can I say this is a specific inference question? Can I say this is a specific inference question, guys? Meaning of a line, meaning of a phrase. According to the passage, entertainment can be inferred. According to the passage, this can be our overall inference of the passage as well. But again, it's specific to the word entertainment. The difference between art and commercial films according to the passage, again specific. The author mentioned the statement, film interpretation is necessarily multivalent, again specific inference. So guys, skimming and scanning will work best. जैसे मैंने सब्सक्रिप्शन ले ली और अब कल परसों में मेरी अच्छी रैंक आ गई तो गिफ्ट व्हाट आई डिडंट अंडरस्टैंड गिफ्ट मतलब हाय अंकुश अच्छा वेस्ट अरे रे रे नहीं आपने सब्सक्रिप्शन ले ली ना सैम बी हैप्पी हेलो अंकुश शुभा इज लाइक वेस्ट okay come on guys, shall we start? Okay, come on guys, read it quickly and then we'll discuss it. Chalo guys. Wow, Shubham, very good. Very good. Being a plus member is a gift. Very nice. Come on. Guys, movies ke upar hai. You might be intrigued to read the passage. That does not mean you spend a lot of time on the passage. Every paragraph, one important line. That's all. हाँ एक शुभम आई ऑल्सो गूगल पर आप अगर पहले के 1-2 लाइन गूगल करोगे ना आपको सोर्स मिल जाएगा. Yes, Dhruva. I'm not sure it's 2 attempts, but I know that there is a limitation. I'll let you know about that. No, I'm not sure, Shutis. Yes, Dhruv. Okay, done, guys. First slide. Skim and scan, skim and scan. Hi, Mansa. No, I haven't, Sam. It's good. I'll check it out. Questions? Okay, wait, Zigzag. I'll just show you the questions. So इस पैरा पे questions है guys ज़्यादा. Done everyone? Come on. Easy guys. I want 100% accuracy in this question. अगर आप सिर्फ ये दो टर्म समझ लो तो भी आपको आंसर मिल जाएगा. No, Mrinal, infer. No, Prakhar, infer. What is the word news highlight here? It isn't news. It isn't something. Correct, Mrinal. Okay, let's poll, guys. Guys, this is an error of inference. This is not, I don't know, like आपको some ये line. This is an error of inference, guys. You didn't understand the language is line का. See, guys, look at this. यहाँ पे दिया है कि the film makes it makes you vulnerable. The film dominates you. You let it dominate you. This overwhelming power isn't news. Isn't news. News मतलब क्या? It isn't something new. It's something that we already know. Hi Anna. Hi Anna. When you say it isn't news, it's not something new. It's something that we already know. That's the meaning of the word is it isn't news, right? So ये देखो, it is well known and it's understood. It's not news. It's not something new. It's not a piece of information. Got it, guys? Did all of you understand what news here symbolizes? ये news थोड़ी है, ये तो पता है मेरे को. Got it? Did all of you understand this? Isn't news means it's not something new, it's not a new piece of information, it's something that we already know and recognize. Hi Manisha, come on. What is entertainment? Very easy. Select and eliminate. If you want, I'll show you the paragraph once again. What is entertainment? Okay, come on guys, what is entertainment? This is the most irrelevant option because it's not the true depiction. So guys, if you have eliminated B, shouldn't you eliminate D also? Is it a coherent version of what a moviegoer is going through his or her life? Is it a true depiction of what he or she is going through in her life? Look at this. More coherent, more compelling and attractive, and in general just more entertaining than a moviegoer's real life. So it's not your real life, it's more coherent, it's more attractive, it's more compelling than your real life. Moviegoer is a person who goes to watch movies, a cinegoer. Is it an imitation of real life? No. It's an illusion that can distract you from one's life. Look at this. It can make your dreams pleasant. It is fantasy. Did all of you understand why the word illusion comes in? You pretend that you're somebody else. It's not an imitation of your real life. You're pretending to be someone or something else. Okay, come on, guys. Next one. Every single word of the option, guys. You're not going through the questions carefully. Hi, Shika. The difference between art and commercial films. Come on. I hope option eliminate कर रहे हो आप. You want? I'll show you the passage again. Okay, let's poll, guys. Sleep कहाँ दिया है, guys? ये option ना जानबूझ के आपने select किया है. Who says that it puts you to sleep? Art films are true to life. Art films are pretentious. ये देखो. Where if they said that they are true to life? Where if they said that they are true to life? True to life कहाँ है? True to life कहाँ है? And they can easily be pretentious. That does not mean that they are pretentious. Easily उसको हम लोग pretentious समझ सकते हैं. पर जरूरी नहीं कि वो pretentious है. But look at this. Interpretive work करना पड़ता है. Provoke thought. Provoke does not mean negative here. Provoke means just lead to. We have to think. It makes you think. Commercial films don't make you think. They entertain. They entertain. They make you think. They make you. They entertain you. Right. They want to wake you up. Wake you up means not necessarily सच में आप सो रहे हो. So guys, can I say that the answer option is amuse, thought, interpretive work and entertain? Answer will be D. Did all of you understand this? Clear? Guys, why are you making errors? थोड़ा सा ध्यान से guys. Come on, 9th question. हाँ, yes, Abhishek. want me to take it up, I'll do. It's not about a film, na, Gulafsha. It's about Lynch's films. And multivalent means several interpretations. This is true. And this is not, the purpose of a film is not to interpret but to experience. That's not the purpose of a film. That's the purpose of Lynch's films. A film will become, see, Lynch's movies are experienced rather than explained. That's not a movie, that's Lynch's movie, and that's not the meaning of this line. See, Lynch's movies are open to several interpretations, but that does not mean, it would be a serious mistake if we think that film interpretation is multivalent. मतलब several interpretations निकाल सकते हैं. So that's what the point or the purpose of Lynch's movies. Direct दिया यहाँ पे. See, the movie's point, the point or the purpose of Lynch's movie is not to demonstrate. It will be a mistake if we think that movies are multivalent, several interpretations is multivalent. The meaning of this line, matlab this line, specific to Lynch's movies, not a film. Multivalent means several. And it will be a mistake to think that. Mistake matlab aise mat socho. Did all of you understand this? Prakar, grammar, idioms and diction, be a part of it. Okay, got it guys? Did all of you understand this? So guys, I will see you in the 5 p.m. YouTube class. Exactly. Nahi hota to bhi Gulafsha problem hota. Because this is not the meaning of this line. ये multivalent के बारे में, ये line passage में दिया है, but इस line का meaning नहीं है ये. Got it? Okay, clear guys, very good guys, excellent work today. This has been the leaderboard. I want to make sure everybody attends the 5 p.m. session, 6:15 p.m. session on Plus. Okay, take care everyone. Don't forget to take the Plus subscription. I got it. Don't forget to take the Plus subscription guys using the code RITUMBA. Okay, take care everyone. Bye-bye. Bye guys, take care. Bye everyone. Take care.